Hey guys, Lech here, just in the middle of my sauna build. Wanted to show you guys some quick advice on what type of insulation you should be using when building a sauna. I feel like this comes up a lot. I was confused myself. I did some research, used something different last time, found out about something better now. I got the tip from Nomad Sauna. They make professional sauna, so I think they know what they're talking about. But anyway, I have a full video on how to get this done. But here, let me just show you quickly what you need and how easy it is to use. So this is the stuff I'm talking about, Rockwool Insulation. There's also another brand, but I feel like this is the more popular, more affordable one. And it's basically stone wool insulation. So you're not using any fiberglass. And this stuff is fireproof. It's good up to like 2100 degrees, even on direct flame. It's water resistant, repellent, sound absorption, great for use inside the house. And it's just, safer and cleaner to use. A little pricier than like that pink stuff, but definitely the way to go for a sauna build. Let me open this up and show you guys what it looks like. Alrighty guys, this is how it comes. Basically, you get in 12 pieces in a bag. These are made for 16 on center, at least the one I picked up, because I built my sauna 16 on center for the stud spacing. You have 12 pieces at 48 inches long. This stuff is pretty much expanded already once you open it. It just expands a little bit. Super easy to cut. All you need is an insulation knife. It's like a serrated knife, like one of those Forever Sharp knives. You can get one for a few bucks in Home Depot, for example. And super easy to cut, like butter. Perfect slices. Cuts in the air as well if you need to just shape it. It rips easy as well if you need to do that. And once you pop it into place, it just stays. You don't need any staples. There's no paper backing, anything like that. And one important thing why this is good for a sauna, it doesn't burn. So you see it makes a little hole. I'll show you guys a close-up. But that's it. It stops flame. It's good for up to 2100 degrees. You don't want to be using the foam insulation on your sauna, especially if you just put in vapor barrier right over it. And maybe thin layer of wood, right? This stuff, flammable and dangerous, and you don't want that in your sauna. For my Body Roma sauna, we did use 2-inch thick foam insulation, a little thicker than this stuff, but we do put 1/2-inch plywood over on the inside as well, so that's a different case. And if you're doing that, that will be fine. Another thing you don't really want to use for sauna, I see a lot of people do, is the fiberglass insulation that you use in your attic. It's usually pink or white. I think these days it's pink. It's fiberglass, guys. This stuff is really bad. You don't want to be breathing that, especially if you don't fully insulate your sauna. If you're doing just wood over it, which I've seen done before, this is the way you want to use. A little pricier, but I feel like it's worth it. That's the advice I was given. That's what I was going with. I'll show you guys a close-up, and that's really it. And this is what I'm talking about. This is direct flame, probably a couple thousand degrees or whatever. And that's it. It stops. There's no going flame, nothing dangerous to set your house on fire, your sauna. And like I showed you guys, super easy to rip, really dense, great for water moisture protection, all that. And once you cut your piece to size, you just pop it in, shove it in there, rip out whatever you don't need, and it's good to go. And that's really it. So that's really it for this, guys. I did use the same thing for the ceiling. I do have 2x6 rafters, so you could technically double up. I just used a single layer and used 2x4s to kind of hold it in place. But if you want to see a full video of how I did everything, check out my channel. I have it posted on there. Next, we're doing the vapor barrier, which I'll do a quick video on as well. But please subscribe, follow. I have more videos on the sauna build, how to get it all done from scratch all the way to the finish. Appreciate you guys. Have a good day.